Wild animal. 1. Are there wild animals in Indonesia? Yes. Indonesia is known for its rich biodiversity and is home to various wild animals, including elephants, tigers, orangutans, and various species of birds and marine life. 2. Have you ever been to a zoo or safari park? Yes, I have been to a zoo in Indonesia. It was a fascinating experience to see different animals up close, although I also appreciate the importance of conservation efforts for animals in their natural habitats. 3. What is the animal you would like to see in the wild? I would love to see an orangutan in the wild. They are intelligent and fascinating creatures, and observing them in their natural habitat would be an incredible experience. 4. Are there TV programs about wild animals in Indonesia? Yes, there are TV programs about wild animals in Indonesia. Nature documentaries and wildlife shows are quite popular, offering valuable insights into the diverse flora and fauna found in the country.